So we're out here in beautiful Treasure Island. This is my first time in Treasure Island, but welcome back. Welcome back to the Grandmaster Troll Racing channel. We're back with another vlog. Do something a little different today. They had a little cars and coffee on a Sunday morning before I had work, so not a lot of cars out here, but there's definitely a lot of views out here, so I'm definitely going to put the drone up in the air. This is going to be one of those test days where we test out some of the camera equipment, but let's look at some of the cars real quick. BMW i8, a couple of other BMWs right here. And somebody brought their Fox body out. Old school station wagon Miata with the nice body kit. Ooh, somebody got their Lotus Evora out. Audi TT. Then we got a bunch of other sedans. You guys know I don't like the sedans car, so I guess we'll walk back the other way. Somebody's Firebird, yeah, that's mine. Then somebody's got this one with the big surfboard on top. I don't know what that is. A couple of other Mercedes. But what do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? I don't know. Somebody's got a Toyota, Porsche, more BMWs. More BMWs, so as you can see, just everybody's out here chilling right now. I kind of like the pop-up headlights with the X on it. I may have to copy his style for my car and see if that'll work for any of my cars with the pop-up headlights. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the day, take some pictures, and see what happens. This may be a complete vlog, it may not be a complete vlog, but we're definitely gonna drive around Treasure Island. I got some special planned. But with that said, I'm gonna chill out for now, mingle with a couple of people, and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, I bought or replaced my Skydio drone with the Skydio 2 Plus. We're gonna see if this thing could do what it's supposed to do and fly. Let's see, we're gonna need an ND64 because it's a little bright out today. See if we can screw that on. Okay. Zip this up. Put you down. Turn the beacon on. Pull out the trusty old cell phone. See if we can get this bad boy in the air. Boy, do I hate going through all this. Is exactly why I don't fly this drone as much as I need to be flying it, because you gotta do all of this just to get it connected. V7K, yeah, connect. Okay. Now we gotta position the antennas up. Begin flight. The hand out so that way we know where to edit from. Let's see if it'll track. Oh man, let him, got a car behind us, let him go. And the drone is chasing us right now. Okay. Further back, further behind. Ooh, let's put it closer. We got some power lines that we don't want to hit. Dodge these power lines. So we're gonna go left or right, left or right. Let's go left. Let's drive by the car meet. Okay, just GPS tracking, okay. Somebody got a Lotus, okay. Okay, the drone's keeping up. Let's hit a right, let's hit a right. Let's hit the right. That is clean, it is keeping up with us. It's doing great. It's doing its job perfectly. Ow. Ow, I hit a bump. God damn. Okay. Able to keep up. Kept up with us. It kept up with us pretty much the whole time. I don't think it has any more to prove, so I guess we'll go ahead and park right here. We'll go ahead and park right here. And we'll go ahead and land it. Alright, so I'm pretty impressed with the Skydio 2 Plus. It did its job. I mean, the Skydio 2 did its job. It didn't crash. It didn't hit a plug wire. It kept tracking. I am very impressed with this drone. I had the regular Skydio drone. Now I got the Skydio 2, so it's got the antennas for better connection and GPS tracking. So I am excited. I am excited. Today is going to be a good day, but I gotta get ready to go to work. So I want to thank y'all for watching. The Skydio 2 Plus drone works. It tracks brilliantly. So with that said, it's your boy GMT.